Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is May 26, 2021. We are here to give you all a price prediction for MATIC, also formerly known as Polygon. Also, you guys can tell on the screen already, you can read that Mark Cuban invests in MATIC, the layer 2 solution for Ethereum. You guys can tell over the last couple of days that MATIC has made a fantastic movement high in price, while some other cryptocurrencies are still lagging behind from the recent downtrend that we have endured over last week. So we're going to talk about where we're expecting the market to go in MATIC. I just wanted to show you all this article right here from CoinDesk real quick, showing how Mark Cuban stated in an email that he is finding himself using MATIC more and more each day. Just shows some of the credibility about this particular cryptocurrency, about this particular network. He confirmed in an investment email to CoinDesk, but he would not disclose how much or the composition of how much MATIC he holds within that particular currency or network. The price of MATIC, the native token of Polygon, is up more than 9,535% year to date. With decentralized finance and other projects going live on Polygon, users have increasingly turned to the platform to escape the high transaction fees of the Ethereum mainnet. So this is the void that MATIC is going to fill. It's going to fill the amount of high transaction fees that Ethereum, also known as gas fees, that Ethereum charges just for you to transact on their blockchain. Polygon reduces those transactional fees, whence you would expect more people to flock over to that particular network when it reduces the cost of you transacting business on that particular blockchain. So fantastic to see that this particular cryptocurrency is gaining notoriety in the sense that many people want to utilize it because of the cheap fees. Now, you can see here on our price chart that we did a price prediction into the market in MATIC not long ago, maybe about 2 days ago. We played a weakness into the market, and you guys can see for yourself, it did not go lower. Like the recovery movement from MATIC from going lower to coming right back to where we were just a couple of days ago is fantastic. It shows you how much demand or interest is here in this market for MATIC, which is very fantastic to actually see play out, because I've been looking at other currencies on the price chart and I'm not seeing this type of price action from those currencies. So yes, we got this wrong. Automatically we understood that our prediction from May the 23rd did not go right. We were expecting just a little bit more weakness to come through into the market in MATIC, and instead the trap has increased the price the opposite direction. So yeah, we didn't get it right. At least 39.68%, or if we were to get out today, I mean, that would get us what, 158% at a loss. That just shows you how strong this particular currency is right now. So let's take that away. Lesson learned. But yet and still, we are still going to position ourselves so that we can continually win in the market. So if you all appreciate these videos, this channel, y'all appreciate that we're able to give you all our expectations as to where price is going to go, all without being confused. Make sure you follow us, join this community, because we're going to give you information that is not available anywhere else, i.e. we're going to tell you where we're expecting the price to go. So hit the like button, share, and also subscribe here to this channel. So let's break this down real quick. As always, I want to show you all what the market in MATIC has done so far. Okay, we haven't even came and touched the overall trend into the market in MATIC on this recent down move. Some other currencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, XRP have already confirmed the testing of that long-term ascending line. All you have to do is just go ahead and look at the chart. But looking at MATIC, it hasn't even came all the way down here to our ascending line, which also goes in line and tells you how strong this particular market is in MATIC. So we need to create where the overall trend is in MATIC, right? And it's pretty much right here. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to get rid of this longer term trend to the market in MATIC. It is not following that at all. This is the current trend that this market in MATIC really wants to follow. So this is it. Now let's take a look at the current environment in MATIC on a different time frame. This is the 3-day time frame in MATIC, and right now you guys can see here that the strength is definitely coming through the market in MATIC, which is very positive and good to see as well. Next time frame is the 5-day. This is definitely massive news to show you that the market in MATIC has overcame all of that weakness. I mean, we got the confirmation that people were selling to the market in MATIC, but there was also a market for buyers. The markets came in and purchased MATIC at these very cheap prices, because if it wasn't cheap, then the market would have continually fell. But it didn't do that. We closed at the high of the bar. So currently, out of all the cryptocurrencies, I would say that MATIC is probably one of the strongest ones trending today in terms of going higher in price. Okay, so let's look at this on a weekly time frame. And you guys can see right here on the weekly time frame that the market in MATIC is actually making a small reversal from us seeing a massive movement to the downside to one coming right back to where we were last week. That is massive, right? From the long term. When I look at this in the long term, I'm definitely seeing how this market in MATIC wants to continue to see higher price movement and even make all-time highs again. So we have 4 days and 14 hours left before this current weekly price bar concludes. But as of right now, this market in MATIC is definitely showing us bullish tendencies. Okay, so let's do this. Let's break this down to an hourly time frame, and I'll go ahead and let you all go. So you can see already we're not that far from making all-time highs into the market in MATIC. Our area of support in terms of us seeing the ability of this currency going higher is going to be around $2 to $1.90, right? As long as price trades above those two levels, we're expecting the market in MATIC to go higher. And so far, that is still going to be our premise. You guys can literally tell that the market in MATIC has made a V-shaped recovery. So if anything, we're going to anticipate that this market in MATIC is going to try to make or trade near its all-time highs, at least, right? So let's go ahead and run this real quick into the market in MATIC. We're going to expect the strength to continue to the market in MATIC. I like $2 to be maintained as support, back down to like $1.85, give or take. So let's bring this back over to the daily. And $2 is going to be our initial area of support. Even though I can see it coming back down to 185, I'll still be cool with that. And I'm going to bring it all the way up here to all-time high levels. Okay. So when I look at this on an hourly time frame, market restriction already was pretty much touched the last couple of hours. $2.40. I can see it's hitting 250. As we see this market in MATIC continue to trade higher in price, I will TP the market out around 250. That will give us what? Let me see. About 13.75% profitability right there. But I'm going to take it all the way up there to the all-time high level in anticipation of trying to grab that 20-something% off the market. Okay. So 23% right there. So that's it. This is one of the strongest cryptocurrencies in the market today, right? When I look at all the other cryptocurrencies in the market, yes, they have made movement higher in price, but not as strong as MATIC. It tells you about the credibility, the interest, and the demand that is currently involved for this network. So now, this is what we're going to expect to see in the market in MATIC over the next couple of trading days. Anticipating the price moving higher, we have told you our two TP price levels that will go in and TP out the market at profitability. The first one was around like $2.40, $2.50. I'm sorry, it's around $2.50. $2.50 is where our first area of TP is, all the way up there to around $2.70. All right. So now, if you're interested in MATIC, I want you all to tell me, where do you see this particular price going in MATIC over the next, give me the next 2 weeks. You know, tell me where you think the price would be at in MATIC over the next 2 weeks. This is what we're expecting to see in MATIC within that time frame. I want you all to tell me, what are you seeing on the chart? If you're seeing something totally different, definitely drop the comment in the comment section and make sure you become part of our team, our community, because we are predictors of the market. We call the market based off what we're seeing on the price chart, all without using technical indicators. And we want you all to join us. So make sure you follow us. Make sure you maintain a profitability as well. And I'll see you all on the next one. Make sure you trade different.